We would now like to explain the term IgE. First of all, what is IgE? IgE is a type of antibody, as are IgG, IgM, and IgA. But IgE does not have a primary function related to acquired immunity unlike IgG. So what does IgE do? IgE has an essential role in allergy. More specifically, it is closely related to type 1 hypersensitivity. Also, IgE is a part of immune response against parasitic worms. Compared to other antibodies, like IgG, IgE can't do opsonization. Also, IgE don't work as natural antibody. Furthermore, IgE don't activate the classical pathway of the complement system. In this presentation, we are going to introduce about function of IgE in type 1 hypersensitivity. Before introducing about function of IgE in type 1 hypersensitivity, I will explain when IgE is produced. Antibodies other than IgM can be produced by immunoglobulin class switching. Cytokines from Th1 and Th2 types of helper T cells cause B cell differentiation, and it is IL-4 secreted by Th2 that is mainly responsible for differentiation into IgE. Rest of Th1 cytokines result in not causing immunoglobulin cross switching to IgG. Therefore, Th2 and IL-4 overproduction lead to overproduction of IgE. Then, let's take a look at how type 1 allergy works. First, after the antigen enters the body, an excess of Th2 is produced for some reason. Excessive amounts of IL-4 and other cytokines are secreted by Th2, which causes immunoglobulin cross-switching to IgE-producing plasma cells. IgE sensitized by plasma cells bind to mast cells. The mast cell receptor to which IgE bind is called Fc epsilon receptor 1. Antigens then bind to IgE, bridging multiple IgE bound to Fc epsilon R1. This cross-link structure activates mast cells, which release mediators. Lipid mediators such as histamine cause an immediate response, while mediators such as cytokines or chemokines cause a late phase response. This immediate type reaction is the so-called anaphylaxis. In summary, IgE is a peculiar type of antibody and the key substance of type 1 hypersensitivity. Thank you for listening.